The 3D high-speed blend toolpath now includes the following enhancements. The 3D option in the Project drop-down on the Cut Parameters page is now available. When selected, Mastercam keeps the created passes equidistant in 3D, adding cuts to steep areas. The new number of passes checkbox located on the Cut Parameters page lets you set the exact number of cutting passes. The new Flip Step Over checkbox located on the Cut Parameters page reverses the cutting direction of the blend toolpath. You can now confine selected curves on the toolpath control page to either the tool tip or tool contact point. Tool tip confines the tool center inside the selected curves. Tool contact point confines the tool contact points inside the selected curves. The tool center may run outside the selected curves, but the contact point of the tool will not. Two new methods are now available in the Cut Method drop-down on the Cut Parameters page. From Center cuts one direction, steps over to the next cut, and cuts in the opposite direction, starting from the center and working its way outside while maintaining a climb cut. To Center cuts one direction, steps over to the next cut, and cuts in the opposite direction, starting from the outside and working its way to the center while maintaining a climb cut. The linking parameters page for 3D toolpaths now include two new options, Apply Transitions and Extension. Apply Transitions, when selected, sets retract motions to be transition motions. The new transition motion uses the values set on the Transitions page. Apply Transitions is not available for horizontal area, area roughing, and dynamic OptiRough toolpaths. The extension parameter extends the lead motion by the entered amount using a tangential line. You now have an option to have Mastercam automatically set different angles to maximize the length of the cut pattern and/or minimize the connecting moves of a raster toolpath. This option is on the Cut Parameters page. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.